Jumping two thermostat terminals can quickly show whether the issue is in the thermostat head or the base and wiring. When you place a jumper wire across the appropriate terminals at the thermostat base, you mimic the control signal and force the system to call for heating or cooling. If the system responds when jumped at the base, but not when the thermostat is mounted, the problem lies in the physical connection between the thermostat head and the base or in the base itself. Start by cutting power at the breaker and removing the thermostat head to expose the base contacts, then inspect under good light for bent, corroded, or flattened pins, and for debris or paint that might block contact. Gently straightening pins with a small flat tool can restore proper alignment but avoid excessive force, which could break the contacts. Also check the screw terminals and wire insulation for oxidation or fraying, and tighten loose screws to ensure solid mechanical connection. Finally, test again with the jumper at the base and then remount the thermostat head to confirm the repair under normal operation. Common mistakes include assuming a wireless thermostat is at fault when the base has poor contact, which you catch by testing with jumpers and then realigning pins or cleaning contacts. Another frequent issue is using a jumper at the thermostat head instead of at the base, which can mask a bad base to wire connection. So always test at the base first and document which terminals you bridge. People also forget to cut power before manipulating pins and wires, creating a safety and equipment risk. So always shut off power and verify with a non-contact tester before touching contacts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a community where we discuss diagnostics, fixes, and contractor experiences related to thermostat and wiring issues. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners who are actively solving similar hardware problems and looking for professional help.